Greetings, people at home. My name is James, and welcome back to Sniffle Souls. Rubbish, it has no value. I beg to differ. Differ? Disagree. Anyway, time for me to reverse this hollowing that I have going on. Hallelujah, yeah, I'm a human again, oh yeah. Yeah. Okay, time to go and summon myself one of the Sunbros. By one of, I mean the Sunbro. The original jolly cooperator. Knight Solaire of Astora. Oh no, I've got pins and needles in my foot. This is bad. Yeah, real bad. Come on, Solaire. Hurry up, I'm summoning you. Can you not do what I do and just spin on the spot? Yeah, just spin on the spot. Yeah, yeah. Come on, bro. Bro. Come on, bro. Thank you. Open. Told you I could see it. Right, I'm gonna assume this is probably a safe place to fight it. Just need to be able to, like, dodge its thing that's gonna inevitably do here. So, like, you're not very good at this whole dodging malark, are you? Come on, dude. Come a bit closer. Why don't you? Ow. That was rude. Solaire, really? I could do without these invincibility frames, you know. No thanks. Nah, it's alright. I don't mind. Boom. Done it. Sorry about the quietness. Just, you know, my mum's here, in case you didn't hear her asking whether I wanted to go to Astor or not. But yeah, there's that. Oh, I got humanity back, that's cool. So I'm just gonna heal up. Is this gonna dry at all? No, okay. That's fine by me. Just gonna come around here, like so. Yep. This is gonna be so quiet. I am really sorry. Oh, flash sweat wore off. My bad. Is there a bonfire through here? Don't know. I hope so. Oh, Solaire. Hello. Let me just level up a bit before talking to you. Wow, I'm level 57? Oh my god.
Why? After all this
You still... Calm down, Solaire. Solaire, calm down. I know you're going mad, but don't do that. That's a bad move, going mad. You can hollow out. Alright then. I believe this is a sign for me to change my rings over to this one. And I'm also going to do this just in case it helps. Dun 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 dun. Ooh, fire. That didn't actually do that much damage to me. I am really rather surprised. Lost Izalith. Ah. Ooh. That doesn't look very nice. Oh well. We'll find something. Somewhere. Ooh, there's a thing over there. Let's have a look, shall we? Soul of a brave warrior. Brave or stupid. Maybe a mixture of both. It's probably the most likely answer. Oh dear. Keep falling in the fire. How do I get out? I'm not sure. If you'll just excuse me a moment. I would really rather not be stuck in this lava. It's not good being stuck in lava. Ah, that's better. What even are these things? Dun 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 dun. Hello. Da 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 da. Aha, over here. Seriously though, what are these weird things that look kind of like turds? Very unhealthy dino turds. Made out of rock. Okay, so that's not going to come to life. Oh, but that one is. That was rude. Jeez, there's no consistency anymore. That one isn't. Ooh. Ooh. Is this a mimic? It doesn't have any chains at all. What's in here? Soul of a great hero. Oh my. There's a shrine? I feel bad, I just defiled a shrine. Seriously though, what are those things? I have no idea. But they look like they should be scary. Oh dear. They are scary. They are very scary, in fact. Ow. Entirely damaging too. Not good for me. Not good for my health. My general personal well-being. Oh dear. Neither are you, little flame bro. You can die. Oh, sorry. Legs are going numb. Very numb. I wonder. Can I murder this thing? I hope I can. Yes, but it has a lot of health. Ow. Yeah, this is gonna be difficult, I can tell. I bloody well hope they don't respawn. Let's do this. Dun, 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 dun. So I made it up here. I can grab this. Defend humanity is very useful, very nice, very good. Can't get in there. Is there anything in here? I'm not really a fan of the noises this place is making, to be honest. Does that go anywhere useful? Oh, it goes down there. Perhaps that is useful. We shall see. Oh dear. Oh my. Did I just fall back to where I was, or am I at a different podium now? I believe I'm at a different podium. Now, fuck off, mate. Oh god, I'm out of them. This isn't good. Okay. I have no idea where I am, what to do, or where to go. All I'm really aware of is the fact there are these big old dino turds that stomp on me, and more fire golem things. Oh dear. Another giant turd's coming after me. Not a fan of that. Did I just come from over there? Yeah, I think so. Pretty sure I did. I just came from over there. Then am I meant to go over that way? Or where? Is not the most direct of directions around here. I'm going to assume not over there. Just because I don't see anything else over there. Whereas this way, there's that little bit there, and that over there. But I'm going to use this, just because I am so boned. Get it? Boned. Home of bone. I didn't even mean to do that, but it's just my comedy genius shining through, you know? Yes, of course you do. Of course you know. Why else would you be watching my videos unless you're new? In which case, now you know. Excuse me, what's that? Grab my lemonade. I'm gonna open my lemonade. Then I drink some lemonade. Then I put the lemonade down. And I use a humanity. Not a dual, just a normal. Pop. See? Then I kindle this bitch. I kindle it hard. Kindled. Oh, Soleil's gone. That's probably bad. Then I run around here, as you do. Then I'm gonna trump, and I apologize for this. Yeah. I'm very sorry, whether you heard it or not. Had to happen. Bad for my health otherwise. So, what is with these evil turd-like creatures of Lost Izalith? I'm assuming the goal is to get over there? Or up onto this causeway-like device? Maybe. It's really quite difficult to tell. Honestly. Right, maybe if I follow this round this time it might be useful, rather than just jumping off onto wherever I wanted to go. Okay, so I came here last time I pointed this way. So then I'm up here. There's no point going that way because the big branches block me. So keep running around here. And then yeah, gotta come over here. Like so. And kill this bastard. And is it you? No? Is it you? Yes. Those two are now gone. Ooh, it looks like the giant turds don't come back. Maybe they come back if you die, but if you just rest, it would appear the giant turds remain dead. That's good. Makes the giant turds like the Witch of Izalith's Black Knights, I suppose. Though I'm still very curious about what they are. Like what they actually are. Right, is there some... Because do we want to go over that way? To where that's broken. And we can't see very much. Do we have the binoculars? I don't think we do. Nope. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Can we get in here? No? Okay. And then can't go this way either. Because there's nothing there. We just came from over there. But we want to get up on that over there. Which it looks like that branch there would do. So yes, what we need to do is go that away. Worked it out. I hope everybody worked it out. 'Cause I am a genius. A genius in pain. A genius almost in double pain. But a genius is a genius nonetheless. Be they in pain or otherwise. And now then, giant Stompy McGee is going to try and stomp on me. But I should be able to outrun him. Yeah, see? See? Boom. Run away from Stompy McGee. I'll be alright if I just run over here. Can I go through here? Yes. Good, good. Good. That's what I was hoping. Then come up here. And like a soul. Run over here, up here, around here, over here. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. Do-do-do. Got an itchy ear, itched my ear. What's over there? Don't want to say. Oh, it's a lot less red behind this wall. I guess no more lava. Oh, there's more fire people over there. I want to see if there's a bonfire or anything around here. Not that I can see. Okay, you may as well come down here then. Are you just a statue? Yes. But you're not. You're trying to put fire on me. It's very rude. It's not something I appreciate. In fact, I'd prefer it if you weren't trying to put fire on me, but, you know, each their own. There's a lot of those fire people about. Is there any way for me to get anywhere that I want to be? I'm not entirely sure, to be honest. What is this thing, like crystal? E blue. Has Seath been here? Ow. You're just a stone, right? You can tell by your colour. Yeah, just a wobbly stone. I bet those wobbly stone ones aren't just wobbly stones, they're just pretending to be wobbly stones. That seems a very Souls thing to happen. Unfortunately. So dark in here. Jeez. Kill them. Kill them. Kill them. Just because of the sheer amount of them, I think it makes sense to do this. Just for ones that I might miss. Or when I might accidentally not manage to kill them in one hit. Because I'm an idiot. Dun 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 dun. Cool, cool. Killed a whole bunch. That's good. There's another one. Okay, another one down. What's over here? Anything? Anything at all? Ah. Large soul of a brave warrior. Lovely. Plus, I believe my mum just went to Asda. Which means I can speak normally again. Thank Jesus for that. Oh my. This thing isn't scary at all. 2 hit? 2 hit. No drop? Okay. No drop means no info. No info is scary. Don't really want to stand on that, to be honest. Just in case it falls through. Again, that seems like a very Souls thing this game would do to us. So we can go down there. No, I'm assuming those things are going to come up. We can come over here. Come down here. Oh, there's a drop down there. Run around here. Around here. Hi guys. Or guy. You seem to be being mean. Okay, it's guys. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. I don't mind, fool. I don't mind. Each to their own, you know? That's what I always say. Yeah. And then, I guess grab this. Rare Ring of Sacrifice again. Not worth. Really, just not worth. When I've got my other rings on anyway. Sorry, tree. I'm assuming these are arc trees. Which, for anyone who doesn't know the basics of Souls lore, are like really, really old trees that have been around since the beginning of time. I believe they're mentioned in the old, in the cutscene that's at the beginning of the game. But I don't know for sure, I don't know indeed. I'm a bit tired, I am. Oh my. Oh my indeed. I'm such an idiot. I kind of want to go down there, but I'm going to save it in case I find a bonfire up here. Why is there a pyromancer in my robes? And why is Kirk invaded? I thought I'd already defeated Kirk. I'm pretty sure I have already defeated Kirk. Is this Kirk with pyromancy? Oh jeez. Kirk, you're being mean to me. I'd prefer it if you weren't doing that. Kirk, cease your cruelty. It's incredibly rude. Incroyable rude. Give me time to heal. Kirk, you need to give me time. Time and space, Kirk. Time and space. I don't know my way around here well enough to be able to do this properly. Hey, Kirk. Kirk, calm down. Calm, Kirk. Calm down. Ooh, that was tough. But I did it, Kirk. You didn't give me any time. I applaud your ability for doing that. Now then, let me pick up the item. Bro. Thank you, spiked shield. That sounds cool. D does poison. Not poison, bleed. Dark Wraith Kirk, Knight of Thorns, covered with spikes. Could be used as a weapon. Wow. I kind of want to do that. Just, you know, try it out. Yeah! That's awesome. But it's kind of impractical given the other opportunities that we have going for us. Let me just switch my earbuds once more because, you know, kind of need to do that. Anyway, so I've killed the Pyromancer, I've killed Kirk, I've got 50k souls. I really need to find a bonfire to do some leveling. Oh, someone just got home. But I can't stop playing yet. I need to... Oh god, fog gate. Kinda don't want to go there due to the fog gate. And I don't have any homeward bones left, so I can't just sort of warp. Oh dear. Okay, killed that. Cool. Chest, is it a mimic? No, but I'll double check anyway. Cool. What's in here? Chaos Fire Whip. Cool. Probably want to use that. Okay. So, just check this. Nope. Okay. Oh man, I've got humanity and everything now. I feel so bad if I die. If I die, it's going to be awful. Hello there, little ball things. Jesus, man. There are so many of these bastards. So very many of them. How many more are there? There's one over there. Are there any more? Any more for any more? Ooh, that looks scary. So I'm just going to clear out this little bit first. There we go. Time to go to the scary place. Oh great, fiery demon thing. Just what I didn't want to see. These bastards are usually quite tough. Oh well. Hey there. I'm just gonna run straight past you if that's okay. Hello, Titanite. Oh god, is this where I have to fight Solaire? It looks like it might be where I have to fight Solaire. Oh god. Yep, this is where I have to fight Solaire.
Finally, I have found it. I have.
Solaire, would you please stop trying to murder me? Thank you.
Finally, I have found it. I have. My very own son. I am the sun. It's over. My sun. It's setting.
I'm sorry, Solaire. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Solaire. There's nothing I could do. Be safe now, Solaire. Be safe. We will miss you, my friend. We shall. Right. Standard longsword. It's of high quality. It's well forged. It's been kept in good repair. Yeah. I'm sorry, Solaire. I'm so sorry. The end of the sun has come. Decorated with the holy symbol, but Solaire illustrated it himself. Has no divine powers of its own. As it turns out, Solaire's incredible prowess was a product of his own training. Nothing more. Come from rigorous training. Must have come from rigorous training. Oh man, that is heavy. Right, Havel. No, wrong one. It's still too heavy. How heavy is this head thing? Jeez, man. 1.4. I mean, it's blinding light. Ugh. Fuck off, sunlight maggot. You suck balls, bro. You suck balls. What was I using on my arms? I don't know. It's better. Ugh. So now this is opened up. I suppose I should probably go rest at my bonfire again. I'm just feeling so sad for Solaire. I'm sorry, guys. Oh man, the emotions is kind of overwhelming. Okay. Knew it. Solaire was the other side of the door the whole time. There was nothing I could do. Oh well. We stopped him from harming the innocent, which is what he would have wanted. Good old Solaire. Always dependable. Always. He's always dependable as Solaire was. Solaire. And now he's dead. due to a fixation of his. That hits extremely hard for me, because I know people with fixations who will probably end up dying due to them, and I can't stop it. It's so sad. Sorry to end on a deep note though, guys, but that is that. My name has been James. Let us all pray for Solaire. We may not be able to praise the sun, but thank you for everything, Solaire. You truly are a true bro. I hope you've all enjoyed this. Please, in the comments, show us your sympathy for Solaire. Please. Please. And I will catch you cats on the flip-flop. Goodbye.